caramely baked apples, the marquee food of Hot Stuff the Little Devil. And they're just so easy. Like, I wake up in the morning, just throw them in the oven on 350. You don't have to do anything. Wash the apples. Easiest recipe in the world, baked apples. So I have 2 apples here. I like to just cut the tips out of them, cut a little cone into the top here. If you're worried about the apples exploding because the skin is pretty tight, I suppose they could explode. I don't mind, I like it when they explode. You can just, but you know, just to show you that that's not necessary, I'm just gonna pop these apples in the oven as they are on, let's call that 350. And we'll see them later. Whee! And so the apples have totally exploded, which in my mind is a good thing. Now we know they're done. Perfect breakfast. Just toss apples into the oven and you will be rewarded with delicious caramely baked apples. Baked apples are such a perfect treat. You can do so much with them. I like to just eat them like an apple when they're done. They are so perfect. And even if they explode like this one, honestly, by the time they cool down, they pretty much go back to their beautiful, perfect apple shape, and you can just peel the skin off them, revealing the delicious, tender fruit of the apple. Mmm. Mmm. It's like instant applesauce. So good with any hot cereal or pancakes. So good paired with anything. Guys, if you want the recipe for the stuffed apple like this, I like to stuff my apples before I bake them. It's another super simple recipe, kind of like a reverse pie. Check it out on my channel right now. I hope you like the baked apple recipe. If you have any questions about this super simple recipe, get at me in the comments bar below, and please subscribe for more super simple recipes.